Two men have been arrested, one for allegedly drugging his wife, raping her and then distributing the pornographic videos online. Police arrested the suspect in Boksburg. They say the 34-year-old performed sexual acts on his wife without her consent and then posted the videos on an exclusive social media channel over a period of 5 years. The victim appeared sedated and in a state of unconsciousness. Further investigations led to the arrest of another suspect in Germiston with a similar modus operandi. The men are known to each other, and police say they received an intelligence report from the British High Commission in Cape Town before their investigations led them to the suspects.
We seized several electronic devices. The devices, a preliminary investigation revealed that it contains images and videos depicting drug-facilitated sexual abuse. And we also found images and videos depicting child sexual abuse. Through further investigation and interviewing this suspect, he led us to another suspect, a 48-year-old man who was arrested in Germiston yesterday. They are known to each other. Similar modus operandi, possession and distribution of drug-facilitated sexual abuse. To be more specific, this is also called somnophilia, or more generally, it's a sleep fetish where women are drugged, sexually abused on camera. These images are then shared among like-minded individuals.